Today, we will generate these kind of cool, trendy images using a cutting-edge AI tool. It's crucial to stick around until the end to witness the incredible transformations. To get started, simply navigate to the Google search bar and type in Bing Image Creator. Click on the first link that appears to be redirected to Bing's landing page. Before diving into the creative process, make sure to sign up, as Bing generously provides 15 free image generating credits. Once these credits are utilized, the image generation process may take a bit longer. Now, let's proceed with crafting your desired images. Enter your prompt in the designated area, specifying the details you envision. For instance, you might write profile picture of a young guy seated relaxed on a chair, comma, wearing a black t-shirt, sunglasses, thread name, James, with capital bold font written in the background with yellow neon color. After entering your prompt, click on Create, and within a minute or less, your image will be generated. Bing Image Creator presents you with 4 variations to choose from. Click on any image to expand it to full screen. While the initial images are remarkable, let's infuse an angelic vibe. Modify the prompt by changing the chair to a king chair and add chair. An add chair consists of angel wings. Click on Create again to regenerate the images. This time, the results are truly outstanding. Feel free to experiment further by altering the name and theme of the image to suit your preferences. If you find that the text in the images needs adjustment, you can fine-tune the prompt accordingly. Additionally, transforming the gender of the subject in the image is as simple as adjusting the prompt. We can replace the boy in the image to a girl by just changing the prompt. Once you discover your favorite image, download it in a high-quality format without any watermarks. Keep in mind that the image file is in JFIF format, which may not be compatible with certain social media platforms. To overcome this hurdle, head to the Google search bar and look for JFIF to JPG. Access a reliable online converter. Import your images, and voila, your images are ready for broader social media sharing. For those on mobile devices, download the Bing app from your App Store. Sign in with your Microsoft account, input your prompt, and let the Bing app, powered by DALL-E 3, swiftly generate your image. Click on the 3 dots, select Download, and save the image directly to your gallery. That wraps up today's video. You can also find the script used in the video in the description. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more exciting content.